Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this special and very quick and easy delicious egg biryani. This is easy and very quick to put them together and super delicious. Before I go ahead and start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Let's get started. Here in a big pan, I'm adding quarter cup of oil. The reason I'm adding quarter cup of oil because we're going to fry onions. We want to get it nice and crispy. Here I have two medium onions that I'm going to just add it in the hot oil, and once you finish frying the oil, you can reduce the oil depending on how much oil you have, and then you can cook the rest of the egg biryani with the same oil. Now fry the onions until it's nice and golden brown and take this away and set it aside. Now if you want to reduce the oil, go ahead and reduce. Here I've added one mace, half an inch of cinnamon stick. Here I have 3 bay leaves, 3 green cardamom, and 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera or black cumin. Go ahead and just saute them until it's nicely spluttered and nice aroma releases. Here I have 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and go ahead and saute them until it leaves the nice aroma. And I'm going to add a little bit of a water, around 4 tablespoons. Go ahead and saute this, and now to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Go ahead and quickly saute them so that it doesn't burn the spices. Here I have half a teaspoon nutmeg. I'm going to just grate the fresh one. Go ahead and add quarter teaspoon of mace powder. And now here I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes, roughly chopped. Go ahead and add them. Just give it a quick stir. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt so that the tomato cooks well and gets softer. Now cook the tomatoes until it's nice and soft. As you can see, the tomatoes are getting softer. And once it is nice and soft, as like this, see the consistency, to this I'm going to add half a cup of yogurt. Turn the heat to completely low. Now go ahead and mix well and cook them until the yogurt cooks through. What I mean the yogurt cooks through is when you see the oil separates on the side, as you can see, then you know the yogurt is cooked through. Now I'm going to remove half of the fried onions and add them to the paste that we just prepared with the tomato paste, and go ahead and mix well. Now here I have 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. This is what gives this beautiful, nice fragrance and deliciousness. Go ahead and add them, crush them, and just go ahead and add that and combine well. Now here I have 6 boiled eggs. You can add more or less. I have slit them on all 4 sides just a little bit so that when we add it to the masala, it gives all the flavors, it infuses all the flavors inside. Now go ahead and mix them, and to this I'm adding half a cup of boiling water. You definitely want to use boiling water. Anything that we are cooking, you don't want to add cold water. It kind of hardens the egg. Go ahead and cook them for a medium heat for 3 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, handful of mint leaves and handful of cilantro. Now just go, here I have 3 to 4 green chilies. You can slit them or you can just add the whole thing. Go ahead and mix well until it's all well incorporated. Go ahead and cover them and turn off the heat and set it aside. Now in another pot I'm cooking rice, so I've added water as needed, half inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves and 3 cardamom pods, and shahi jeera quarter of teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, that's fine. And also I'm adding rose water to this. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add the soaked rice. I'm using basmati rice, soaked for 15 minutes, nicely washed and soaked. You can use long grain rice, any rice of your choice. Go ahead and cook them for 90% until the rice is all the way cooked through, but 10% we are going to cook it on the dum. Now I'm going to remove half of the egg mixture, and now going to add half of the rice mixture to the gravy, and go ahead and spread the rice. And to this I'm adding remaining of fried onions a little bit and some mint leaves on top, and then now I'm going to add rest of the masalas along with the egg. And now I'm going to add rest of the rice that I had, and I'm again going to repeat the same process, onions and mint leaves. Now here I have 1 teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to just add that. Saffron soaked in some milk, I'm going to add that. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip that. Here I have some garam masala. I'm just going to sprinkle it over. Now here I have 1 teaspoon of rose water. Again, it gives nice that fragrance. I'm going to add that. Now go ahead and cover with any clean kitchen towel and cover it with a tight lid and cook for 25 minutes on dum. Once it is done, as you can see, you can serve this with simple raita of your choice or just any kind of gravy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.